ZSB Series Label Printer Setup. In this video, we will set up your ZSB Series printer on an iOS or Android mobile device. First, we need to unbox the printer. Open the box and remove the printer. Inside the printer is a brand new, full-sized label cartridge. All of the printer packaging is entirely recyclable, including the inserts, which are made of potato starch. Under the printer, you find the Quick Start Guide. Use the Quick Start Guide to ensure a quick and easy setup. Remove the inserts to reveal the power supply. Now we will prepare the printer for setup. Open the printer and remove the shipping insert from the inside of the printer. Ensure the label is aligned at the front of the printer before closing the cover, otherwise the printer may not print. Connect the power supply to a power receptacle, then connect the power supply to the printer. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Notice the LED light is blinking. After a short time, the printer will print a label with a QR code. Now it's time to create your ZSB printer account. Use the camera on your mobile device to scan the QR code that was just printed. The QR code takes you to the ZSB setup page. Select the App Store icon for your device. Download the app for your iOS or Android device. Launch the ZSB Series app. Allow the app to see the device's location if requested. Select OK to allow Bluetooth access. Select Login to create a new ZSB account or sign into an existing one. Select Continue to allow the app and the website to communicate. You can use an Apple, Google, or Facebook social media account to make your ZSB login quick and easy. The following registration screens only display when signing in with an email. If using your email account, select Sign in with your email. Scroll down and select Register your email now. Enter your email address. Select Next. Zebra will send a verification code to your email address. Go to your email, copy the code and enter it into the app. Select Submit. Once you have done that, you can complete your account creation with all the standard information, such as first name, last name, and password creation. After completing the registration, select Submit and Continue. You have successfully created a ZSB printer account. Select Login. Once again, select Continue so the app can communicate with the website. Select Sign in with your email or use an Apple, Google, or Facebook social media account to log in. Log in with the email and password that you created. Select Accept for the end user license agreement. Finally, we use the app to set up the printer. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for your device. Also, please ensure you have your Wi-Fi network password, which will be required in the next step. Select Add a printer. If prompted, allow the app to access your location and Bluetooth. Select Start. The app will search for your printer. This may take a moment depending on your device. Once discovered, your printer will show up in the list. If more than one ZSB printer is discovered, pick the printer you wish to set up and then click Select. Accept the Bluetooth pairing request. Now that the device and printer are talking to each other, the app looks for available Wi-Fi networks. The Wi-Fi network that your device is connected to appears. If you want to connect your printer to a different network, click Select Different Network. Otherwise, select Connect. Enter your Wi-Fi network password and select Submit. This may take a moment depending on your device. The app will update your printer, register your account, and set up your ZSB workspace. You have set up your ZSB Series printer, and it is connected to your online account. Now in the app, you can adjust printer settings, change the printer name, send a test print, and more. Feel free to navigate the ZSB app, select label templates, and start printing. Now that you have set up your ZSB printer, you can go to your desktop browser and log in with your new account information. From here, you can download printer tools, which allows you to print labels from desktop apps on your PC or Mac, such as Microsoft Office, and popular e-commerce and shipping platforms like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and many more. You can access common label designs and create new label designs from the ZSB Label Designer software. If you have any questions, Around the Clock support is available at zsbseries.com/support. Thank you for choosing a Zebra ZSB series printer.